Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make Microsoft Copilot use your browsing history and search behavior on Microsoft Edge, for example, as a memory for your interactions and conversations with Copilot here via Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you're using the newest version of Microsoft Edge, you will also have automatically access to Copilot, and you will be given the opportunity to communicate with the artificial intelligence Copilot, give it commands, interact with it, send it prompts, and so on and so forth here via Edge. Now, as previously mentioned in the intro of this video, guys, you can allow Copilot to use your browsing data, browsing history, search behavior, etc., as a memory or as a reference to enhance the experience here in your conversations and prompts with Copilot. This is how you can do it. You will need to access your browser settings. So to do that, navigate to settings here. If you don't know how to do this, click on these three dots, select settings, and from that menu navigate to appearance on the left hand side, scroll down and click into Copilot in sidebar. Next, make sure that Copilot is enabled. First, to do that, click into Copilot here under app specific settings, enable it here so that the Copilot button will be enabled. And instead of interacting with Copilot now, you may simply click into manage Copilot settings here. And here, guys, click into privacy. And from that menu, make sure that the personalization and memory setting is enabled. And you may also add personalized suggestions if you like, but that feature here is the only relevant one for this method. Like for example, your conversations, but also Bing, as you can see, and your browsing history and your browsing behavior and so on and so forth. Use as a memory, and that's it. If you don't want to do this, simply disable this feature. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.